What if your boss decided to record every mouse click, every keystroke, and take random screenshots of your screen to train the AI that might replace you? That's not a dystopian movie. That's Meta, right now. Reuters broke the story yesterday. Meta is rolling out new tracking software on all US employees' computers called Model Capability Initiative, or MCI. It records mouse movements, clicks, keystrokes, and even takes random screenshots of what employees are looking at. The goal? Train AI agents to do their jobs. Here's where it gets spicy. Business Insider got hold of the internal reactions, and employees are not having it. The top-rated comment on the announcement was, and I quote, "This makes me super uncomfortable. How do we opt out?" The angry face emoji was the #1 reaction, and CTO Andrew Bosworth's response? There is no option to opt out on your work-provided laptop. Ice cold. Meta says this data won't be used for performance reviews and has safeguards for sensitive content. But here's the context that makes this truly wild. Meta is also planning to lay off 8,000 employees starting May 20th. That's 10% of its workforce. So you're literally training AI to learn how you work while the company is actively cutting jobs. Bosworth even said the vision is one where agents primarily do the work, and our role is to direct, review, and help them improve. Read that again. Agents do the work. You just watch. This isn't just a Meta story. If the biggest tech company on Earth is openly recording employees to build their replacements, this sets a precedent. Every major company investing in AI agents, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, is watching how this plays out. For anyone entering the workforce right now, the message is clear. Your job isn't just to do the work, it's to prove you can do what AI can't. Training the AI that replaces you, that's a Black Mirror episode that writes itself. Drop a comment. Would you stay at a job that tracked your every click? Like and subscribe, because this AI story is just getting started.